In this video, I want to do a brief overview of FileStream. So this is gonna be kind of in a couple different parts, but the first one we're gonna do is we're gonna simply write to a file, just simple text, and then we are going to, in the next video, read from the said file, and then after that we're gonna dive into doing a little bit more advanced things. So this is something you will most likely obviously cover in your CS course. So it's not really much else to add. Let's just go ahead and start. So first thing we have to do, we're going to want to include FileStream or fstream. Then, because it's part of the standard library, std fstream, we're going to go ahead and this one's going to be just simply writing text. So we're going to do outstream. So with outstream, what we can do is outstream dot, then we can open a file. So in this case, I've already created one. So it's on my desktop, test fsfs.txt. Don't know why I named it that, but I'm going to go ahead and just get the directory, paste it in. Then it was, what was it? Test fsfs dot text. Now, obviously there's some issues here. So when you do backslashes, if you want to do that kind of in the name of it, like a directory, for example, you have to do 2. So you have to double backslash like that, and it'll fix that right up. Or you can go through and at the beginning, do the and symbol. Or maybe that was in just C#. Actually, I really don't remember on that one. Anyways, double backslash. So this is going to indicate that it's going to open our file. So what we can do is we can do a couple of things. First things first, let's go ahead and just simply check it. So if outstream, this indicates that our file is actually open. So we're going to see out file open, and otherwise file failed to open. So let's give it a try. Press F5, file open, and if I change the name to something else that doesn't currently exist, file failed to open. So we know that that's working correctly. So if the file successfully opens, or better yet, does not open, what we're going to do is file failed to open, and we just want to return. So everything after that, we know that the file is going to be open, so we can write to it. So writing is as simple as one of two ways. So we can do outstream.write. Here we can write whatever we want, so test, and the size, which would be 4 in our case. And then we always, at the end, we want to make sure we close it. So outstream.close. So now when I run it, reload it, we printed out test. I want to delete that and save it. The other way we can write is just outstream, and then if you remember go out of the way, these fancy guys from when we see out, test. In the exact same way, let's run it. And we printed out test. So that is really all there is to actually writing to a file with just simple text. And in the next video, we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to read text back. And then, like I said, after that, we're going to get into more kind of advanced things. So we're probably going to get into just some basic formatting, different ways to read in or write to files and that sort of thing. So hopefully that was somewhat useful, because obviously this is just a basic introductory. Anyhow, I will see you in the next video.